Hello, Anne.
Hello,
Good evening.
good evening.
How are you today? How are you today, Anne?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. So, did you go to school today?
No.
You don't go on school on Saturday? You don't go to school on Saturday?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so tonight, Anne, we're going to continue the activity and the lesson that we were not able to finish last time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so um let's continue now.
Okay.
All right, so this one was our last activity. So, okay, now let's continue. We use while or when to talk about two things that happen or happened at the same time. Or we use to before the verb to say why we do something. All right, so now let's talk about so and because. All right. When do we use so and when do we use because? How is the meaning different? Okay. So I was tried first, so I went to bed then. I was tired happened first. It is the reason for going to bed. Okay, well let's skip this one. Okay. So now Anne, you're going to choose your answer between because, while, or so. So number one is an example. Holly and I went to the mountains last weekend because we love snow sports. Okay, so how about number two? And
Holly can ski. Um, so she took her sledge instead.
okay, so number three.
It was funny. Holly fell over in the snow. Because she was chatting on her phone.
Okay, correct. Next one.
We took our ice skates as well. Um, um,
We took our ice skates as well.
Because you can skate on the lake there.
Okay, very good. Number 5.
After some delicious hot chocolate, Holly got ready to do something silly.
Okay, very good. 2. Number 6.
I skate around the lake um, while Holly was making her snowman.
Okay. Wow. Okay, number 7.
Holly wanted to have some more fun, um, so she decided to throw snowballs at me.
Okay, so number 8.
I put on my skis um, because I want more practice and skate by myself for an hour.
Okay, very good because. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, 8 points for you, Anne. So next one. The wrong suitcase. Okay, so you must read the story, Anne, and later on, you're going to answer the following questions. Okay, so start reading now, Anne.
The wrong suitcase. Lucy and her parents, Mirth and Mirthfield, put their summer clothes and swimming and selling things in their big blue suitcase and drove to the airport. Lucy was excited because she was going to a sports holiday. When they got to the airport, Lucy's dad showed their tickets and then the family hurried to the bookshop to choose some magazines.
Okay. Oh, where's that? Two.
Um,
Where's that?
after that,
Mm-hmm.
um, after that, they went to get on the plane. Lucy's seat was by the window. During the journey, Lucy's mom read about a famous ice hockey team. Her dad talked to another passenger about a golf match, and Lucy watched an adventure film about mountain climbing. And when they got off the plane, they took a taxi to the hotel. Wow, said Lucy when they arrived. Look at the sailing boats, and look, you can play table tennis by the pool. Oh, where's my swimsuit? Can I go for a swim? I can wait until tomorrow. Not yet, Lucy, her mother said. We have to take our things up to our room first. When Lucy's father picked up the suitcase, he said, That's strange. This feels much heavier than it did before. Brisfield laughed. You think that you're tired after a long journey. Come on. I've got our key. Look, our room number is um 501. It's on the fifth floor. They went up in the lift, found their rooms, and went inside. Then Lucy's dad opened the suitcase to take out their swimming things. Oh no, he said. Whose key hat is this? Why are there 3 pairs of gloves and all these warm socks in a suitcase? What a terrible mistake. The family had the wrong suitcase.
Okay. Oh, where are the? Oh, wait. Let's talk about first some new words. All right. So the first one is. Okay, it's not playing. So what's the first word? And
It is suitcase.
okay, suitcase. So what's a suitcase? And
Um, Yeah, I don't know what suitcase is.
Okay, so suitcase, this is used to put your clothes on when you're going on a travel. Okay, so next one is,
Magazine.
okay, it's a magazine. So what is a magazine, Anne? What is magazine?
Yeah, I don't know it too.
Okay, so a magazine, this is a kind of a material for reading, which what do you call this one? Which you can see a lot of colored pages and pictures too. Okay, so last one is,
Heavy.
okay, heavy. Okay, so now let's answer the following questions here, but we have some examples here. The Field family put all their holiday things in a big blue suitcase. Lucy was feeling really excited about going on a sports holiday. So question number one, and read and answer.
Before they got on the plane, the family bought um um mm, yeah, I don't remember the story.
Okay, some magazine from a shop. Okay, number two.
Um, on the plane, Lucy's mom read about some famous um, mm, yeah, I don't remember clearly the story, so I can answer it.
Okay, so ice hockey. Number three.
The adventure film that Lucy saw was about um, mm, mm,
What do you think? The adventure film that Lucy saw was about. You don't know the answer here?
không biết. Nhân. Kìa, đợi cô đợi đâu được không?
Do you know the answer, Anne?
Đâu, ở đâu? Ở đâu chứ? Mẹ cho ở đâu nha? Không biết và không biết nên là ngủ lì rồi. Tốn thời gian. Ngân.
Do you know the answer here, Anne? Or let's go to the next
No.
question. Okay, mountain climbing. Okay, so you were not able to remember here. Okay, so now let's continue with activity letter D. Look at the pictures and tell the story. Okay, so what can you say about picture number 1, Anne? What can you say about picture 1?
Trả lời cô đi. Cô nhìn cái gì không trả lời cái đấy. Sao mày nhìn cái con?
Anne?
Chuyện là chung chung nhá. Chung chung học nhá.
Okay, Anne, so what can you say about picture 1?
Trả lời cô đi con. Nhanh.
Do you still want to continue, Anne?
Không hỏi để ý cho mẹ.
Oh, Anne, what's happening to you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anne? Oh, what's wrong? Are you okay? Okay, Anne, are you okay? Oh, okay. So, if you're not okay, Anne, we can continue again on our next lesson on Tuesday. Are you crying? Huh? Are you crying? Okay. All right. So, I think let's continue again our class on Tuesday, Anne, if you're not feeling good. Okay? Oh, stop crying. Stop crying, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to see you again on Tuesday night, all right?
Alright.
Okay, so good night, Anne, and don't stop crying. Oh, stop crying, okay?